relax. All right, don't try to strike everybody out. Strikeouts are boring. Besides that, they're fascist. Throw some ground balls. It's more democratic.
More democratic, KC. Why not more of a monarchy? After all, Will and Kate got hitched this morning, and my pick this week, well, it's just fit for a West End princess. Let's get right to Foreclosure Friday Flash.
Built in 1934, this vinyl-sided two-story of almost 2,000 square feet offers 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and situated backing to Knowles Field at St. Christopher's School, in the very heart of the West End's Holy Trinity of St. Christopher's School, St. Stephen's Church, and Country Club of Virginia. One enters 5917 Kensington Avenue via a covered L porch. The entrance hall extends straight back along the left elevation, creating the access to the 3 main areas of the first floor. The front room facing Kensington Avenue would be best used as a living room. The center bedroom has multi-uses since there's a full bath off of it, along with a large walk-in closet accessing the gas forced air furnace. The kitchen sits along the rear with access to the deck and the rear yard. There's a laundry room off of the kitchen. Upstairs are 3 bedrooms. The front right bedroom and the front left bedroom share the hall bath. The master bedroom is along the rear of the home and houses a large master bath and a walk-in closet. 5917 Kensington Avenue has 2-zone air conditioning, gas-fired hot water and heat, and is offered at $244,900, well below its last sale in May of '04 at $279,950, and well below its current assessment of $309,000. 5917 Kensington is an exceptional property with a killer price and in a prime West End location.
And that does it for Foreclosure Friday Flash for April 29th, 2011. Hey, if you're watching this on Facebook and you like what you see, hit that like button below. And if you know of anyone who could benefit from Foreclosure Friday Flash or Bank Owned Weekly, how about pulling out your cell phone, looking up my number, giving me a call, and make that introduction. You'll be glad you did. This Sunday, May 1st, I will be holding 5917 Kensington Avenue. That's my Foreclosure Friday pick for this week. I'll be there from 1 to 4. Come on by and let's get acquainted. Wednesday night, May 4th, at 6 p.m., Richard Day and I will have our renovation finance workshop. We'll be holding this at Forest Hill Presbyterian Church at 4401 Forest Hill Avenue on the south side. We start promptly at 6 p.m. 2 weeks after that, on May 18th, we'll have that same seminar at my offices at 1104 North Thompson Street, and we'll start at 7 p.m. on that. And in between, on Thursday, May 12th, we'll have our real estate investment seminar here at my offices at 1104 North Thompson. Whew, busy week, 2 or 3 weeks coming up, and look forward to seeing lots of you. And I'll see you next week.